You know, one of the survivor of the incident of Junior Pope today made a video. He said the actual thing that happened during the incident. He said that he survived from the um, the incident. Unlike others, he said he has to pay for his life jacket himself, but some didn't pay. And he said, the video which Junior Pope did when he was making a phone call, that was the first video he did when they were going to the location. So it was the second one that took his life up here, and he said a lot of things. He said a lot of people were making videos in the you know on the boat, and he even said when he was in the water, he saw someone dragging him down. He said that was Junior Pope that was dragging him down, that he dragged him almost 4 times, before he was even able to get himself. He disclosed what happened to one of the ladies that survived. She said she was under the boat, and she was screaming for a support, like help. Then the boat rider get in to save her, and so she said that he said out of 12 people, some people were saved, and the main people moved on. They passed on. So you just have to explain what actually happened, and say the right thing that happened. Nobody was there. Nobody knows what happened. So he said what happened, and so this is what he said, guys.
Just go like that.
Five people.
This is my man.
Five people go yesterday.
This is my man. This is my man.
You know what he mean? Person go this.
Why not saying your own in a life jacket?
The one when I wear, I need use my hand. Go find and pay collect.
Can you imagine?
I don't know. My own spoon, yeah. Thank you. I'm a spoon.
Jack.
The carelessness what they do.
And
I did tell you.
this is my man. Who survived? Who survived? Survives.
Even them, we did. No. Because we don't go there first time.
Pope, pay me.
You talk
You pay me. I don't cry tire for that man to
you
God.
Talk
See my house, see his house. Before he come
back, like this
new personal house.
Now so me, see the Junior Pope, see Scooby-Doo. See virus, there my front, he stand.
Now 2 boats on a carry.
Now 1 boat.
Oh, all of them did that boat.
All of them.
When if they make a call, they talk.
No, that one.
No, that one they do. Now day before yesterday, only I'm come. Now yesterday, because we did it, they wait for me. No, if I was supposed don't go, no only I'm. Chickpea or Obia, I need a connect. You buy 3 bottles, give me 1. Give PM 1, collect 1. Inside the boat, now they bring the drink on. Boat to move, we open our drink, do chairs inside the boat. I don't know say that. I can eje.
Okay, we don't eje.
I'm not here, me just last month for my guy.
That guy, he paid me. He paid me.
I dey drink the beer self. Scooby-Doo say 1 drink. I carry beer, give him. He drink, give me back. Sean dey my bag. Sean say I carry Sean give.
And the one who couldn't male none at the place.
So
I said it. I know.
The boy who they drive, and 1 guy who sabi swim, and the guy dey with us. Other people wey dey there, nobody sabi swim.
And you know where the thing say bad be say, who sabi swim safe? If you fall down,
They're confused now.
if you fall down with other people when no sabi swim, if they
trouble.
see say you sabi how to swim, they go won't grab you so that they go fit come out.
Me self na.
And if you're not strong,
Now God save you.
You go with them.
I don't know how to come out. Because our PM self.
In fact, hi.
Our PM. The way he dragged me for the water.
Oh.
Owago.
One.
Onayara.
Oh. Onye ka onwu kubu BM nwa.
Onwu kwa.
Onwu raw.
God, na save.
That the she caught.
But you don't open here.
This cup is always like that.
They are celebrating life.
One them.
Yes.
One
This Pope won't pay me. I wonder how his wife won't take leave. with his small baby when he still carry
Go
for
even
hand.
give am that kind news, you say.
He come yesterday.
Why no go come? He could
He
come
come
now.
hospital yesterday.
Yes, now. He had many, but not the guy. I'm not the guy. N'ime mmiri before.
Where he died for hospital, I've been for that riverside.
When they carry and come out, you know they breathe.
Did they breathe? You know they breathe.
Now when they carry and reach hospital, be like say small life they inside.
But why they not do a CPR for that riverside?
Who
People for use hands, hold the chest. They press the heart
Yes,
area. Why
and
they
the
not do
belle too,
CPR?
water go they come out.
They do.
From even
They just
though
carry a
they
drop and for
come
there.
out.
Everybody gather. They do video.
Now what you know say this life is now so it be.
Na
They go see
so.
person go die instead of to carry and go hospital, they go they record am.
Na so, not be lie. Na so they do.
They assuming say some people dey there, if person wey know what's up, they suppose save am there first.
Just do CPR. I was expecting.
Carry am from there, bring reach Joseph.
Ah, the guy for survival.
Even Friday, the other boy, PSF, still dey breathe small.
Jesus.
That one survive.
You know, when they carry JNR POPE run, he did there.
Leave the guy there.
You know, so that guy get fans before. I God, the world cry for that boy.
Hey,
When he did my street that time, if we just see like this, I go, "Ella, man, my guy."
Junior
Very
no send
lively
anybody.
somebody.
Anywhere I want, if you come out now,
wahala.
everybody you go.
Once he come back in the midnight like this, in fact you go know, say yes.
He don't
The
come.
guy they come. So you go they play music for him motor. You go they hear inside. When he drive enter company, you don't go hear word. That guy too much. I don't know why he died. True.
I won't forget this kind of thing.
They don't forget
no,
more.
Those people see them in body.
What are you
No,
talking?
possible.
I won't forget this kind of thing.
I thank God for your life, oh.
And the thing that for center of river it happen.
Na
Before
center of
before
river.
help go come safe. You don't drown
We did
finish.
the water.
Him and had it been that almost all of, in fact, all of them that they put Naso,
Push me inside.
Naso, yes,
Him come out.
Yes.
yes.
Because you wear life jacket.
As I hustle come out. He drag me again. Good. As he drag more than 4 times inside water.
And that dragon is fighting for his life.
Yes,
It's,
now.
He's
Yes.
fighting me. Me we no sabi swim.
Oh my dear.
As I come out, say, who they drag me? Bro.
Again,
Okay,
you are very
I
lucky.
drink
Oh.
water.
You are very, very lucky. I tell you.
Hey.
Because now, I come now, this morning that now any death really the worst so far. Come on, accident, yeah, well,
manage. Hold the boat because the boat don't turn. They like this. I even climb.
It cover all people safe inside there.
He cover now. They get they under. They shout help. Somebody go there, bring her, come out.
She wear life jacket.
She know where. Now God save her. She knows sabi swim.
She came out.
How she know say
No, the boat. As far as that boat cover am, she get space to breathe inside that water. She can hold her hand for that boat.
You hold the shout help.
She can hold the hand for boat.
Where they drive the boat, go enter inside, bring her come out. And 7 people come out here.
Out of?
Out of 12. Me, Sean, TC Virus, that girl, Scooby-Doo.
See fine girls who just remember inside the
director.
river God.
Because of the life jacket.
And Ogolo.
Ogolo.
And no matter now you life jacket.
So also me and director you like that. Ogolo said the guy where they drag me knows sabi swim. If you no be me, I said no be na God. If you no be God,
That one come out.
he come out.
Thank God.
As he come out, he told her yesterday the guy no talk. He just did like this.
I'm gonna give when you talk. Oh.
and that your life jacket also save am.
And he said,
That is what I was even telling my children this morning. When they brought out the video, this thing. And I said, Mommy, come see sister husband. I said, inside the boat.
because even the director
Sure.
of the video,
When I saw you, I said,
he called JNR POPE turn. Do he called me, I turn, do the same thing. Because where are they? I know they're comfortable.
And even the boat said the speed when he used too much. Oh, una no fit tell am.
No, because
This one a business them there now.
na business. They
So
know even themselves.
go make them come back again.
Even themselves,
even the guy where they drive it. Now their business. They feel go 20 times for that water.
I
Because
know.
even this
I
will
know,
happen now. Now the guys still they carry us all the wood. Even
Now when
boat
something
come,
won't
I
happen.
say boat all the whole boats will come. Me personally, I talk and say I no go for it. If no be this go, I wait for them. If not, I for don't cross since. I for follow other people cross, but I wait for the guy. Now the same guy. As the guy come out, the guy they shout, "Why me? Why me?"
Try.
He first go police station first. Go like that for police station.
Oh my dear.
Daddy, throw this inside. That
Dustbin.
Wear your slippers. Where's your slippers?
Yeah. Hey. Ọnwụ mmiri abụrụ dị ezigbo ife. Ọ ka mma moto
Na God save
accident.
my guy. Yo. He say he come back, he go. The second day where they go, he cross that river around after 10 in the night
After 10,
Yeah.
I did the river.
without life jacket.
Ọnwụ mmiri nwere